we want to get people moving, because we believe that when people engage in physical activity, sports, they're happier and they're healthier, and that's really something that this world needs today.
The idea for I Move London is taking a day-to-day experience that most Londoners go through, which is the commute, but instead of taking the negatives of the cramped, confined space, we've actually turned it into a positive using light and music.
It would really inspire people to get off the tube and run or walk through here.
We're at the heart of London, in Banksy's Leek Street Tunnel, where we've installed Rob Jenson's Sonic Runway for Asics.
We have brought our installation all the way from Burning Man in California.
Rob Jenson is the artist that created that, and his programming skills are second to none.
So we were really excited to be contacted by the department in Asics. I had the idea that we could take the original idea of the Sonic Runway and build a version that was full color and do much more interesting visualizations of sound. Music inherently has the power to change people's moods, and we hope that by combining music with a visualization of that sound, that we can heighten that effect.
The inspiration was health, really. So we've used a lot of pulse, the sort of tempo of the heartbeat. We wanted to talk about frequencies that have healing qualities.
We've got 2 cameramen running the tunnel with all the guests. Then that footage is sent to this van where I've got 4 editors running simultaneously. And then in a matter of minutes, they get their own personal video which they can share with all their friends.
As you find yourself walking down here, you are transported to a different world as it takes you on this sonic journey.
Immersive, engaging environment that is just really cool and fun to be in.
It makes you feel like you're going much faster than you are with all the lights.
It was so much fun. The lights looked amazing, and with the music as well.
I think it's amazing. Hell of a venue, a hell of an event, and I think it's a great showpiece.
In just 6 days, the Run the Tube installation will go from Leek Street, Waterloo, to here at the Olympic Park, and finally Clapham Common. It's an incredibly mobile installation.
This has never been seen, never been done before. It's really going to shift people's moods around London.